Hi everyone, and welcome back to Crafty Guild. Today I will show you how to crochet this rose. The materials needed for this project: I am using a 4-ply fingering weight yarn. I'm also selling this on my Shopee store. I will post a link down below. And also we're gonna use 2.75mm steel hook, and we're gonna need a pair of scissors and also a yarn needle. Now we're gonna start making a rose. You're going to make a slip knot, and then next chain 48. Okay, and then next on the second chain from our hook, make a single crochet. So 1, 2, make a single crochet, and then chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and then on the next stitch make a single crochet. So we're just gonna repeat that until you reach the end of the chain. So chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and then single crochet in the next. Now we're done with row 1. I'm going to proceed with row 2. I'm going to turn and chain 3, and then we are going to work on the chain 1 spaces. In the first 3, chain 1 space, and here and also here we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches. So as we go, we are going to include this as we go so that we can hide that yarn end. Okay, so I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, and then also on the next chain 1 space, and also on the next one, chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet, and then we can cut this off. Next, skip 1, chain 1 space, and then on the next chain 1 space make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna repeat that 4 times. So skip 1, chain 1 space, and then make 4 double crochet on the chain 1 space. Okay, repeat that again. Skip 1, chain 1 space, and then make 4 double crochet on the next. Then this is the last one. Skip one, chain one space, and then make 4 double crochet in the next chain one space. So on the remaining chain one space, work skip one chain one space, and then make 5 double crochet in the next chain one space. So we're gonna skip this and then make 5 double crochet on the next chain one space. 3, 4, 5. So repeat that until you reach the end of this row. Now we're done with round 2. We're going to proceed with round 3. I'm going to turn and then chain 1, and then in the middle of this 5 double crochet from the last row here, we are going to work 7 double crochet stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we are gonna make a single crochet space right here, and then repeat that on the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna repeat that. So here in the middle of this 5 double crochet from the last row, make 7 double crochet stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna have this 7 double crochet petals here 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to here. Okay, so in here, single crochet, and then repeat, make 7 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then single crochet here, then repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then single crochet. And then you're done making the 6, 7 double crochet petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here from the last row, the 4 double crochet stitches, we are going to skip this 1 stitch, and then in the next stitch make 5 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then single crochet, and then skip this 1 stitch, and then 5 double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet, and then skip 1 stitch, and then 5 double crochet in the next. Then single crochet, and then skip 1 stitch, and then 5 double crochet in the next. Okay, so we're done making this 4 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we're gonna chain 1. Next we're gonna chain 1, and then on the next 3 stitches we are going to double crochet 3 together. So next we're going to make a chain 1, and then on the next 3 stitches we are going to make 3 double crochet together. So we're gonna yarn over, insert a hook, grab your yarn, and then pull through 2 loops. You have 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops. You now have 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops, and then you now have 4 loops. Your hook, yarn over, and pull through all the loops, and then repeat that. Okay, so and also on the last 3 stitches repeat that. Okay, and then I'm gonna fasten this off. Then we're gonna cut our yarn, and then next we are going to sew our flower. Then gonna fold this, just turn it around. And then I'm gonna sew our flower. Then I'm gonna cut off the remaining yarn. And then we're done. Now we're done making our rose. I hope that you find this tutorial easy to follow, and then don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell notification so that you'll know each time I make a new pattern. You can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. I'll post a link down below. And then thank you for watching my video, and then I'll see you on the next one. Bye!